What's up YouTube, this is All Climbs coming back at you with another video. So before we get started, remember to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button so we don't miss any more videos. So in today's video, we've got a pair of Alexander McQueens. So we're going to get straight into this. So first up, we're going to have a look at the box. And these were from Dhgate. And if you want to know who the seller was, as always, tap me up on Instagram. I've never had a pair of Alexander McQueens before, so I can only tell you what I've seen of other YouTube videos. I've looked at some real versus fake ones, and one of the things we point out straight away is it's got the correct label. So some of the fakes will have a picture, like a photograph picture of the shoe. That is the correct picture. And we'll have a look at the front. So look at this. So if you can see, we've got Alexander McQueen on the box. You can only see it slightly, and I think that's the same on the originals as well. So let's take a look inside. So a lot of you have been asking me how long does shipping take. So I went for the free shipping on the e-packet, and it took about 2 to 3 weeks for this parcel. So inside, what have we got? Let's have a look. So we've got the dust bag. That's quite good, I probably actually will use these. Okay, so we've got the receipt. Looks like we've got 2 receipts there. And we've got the Alexander card. Let's take a look at this. So we've got the paper as well. So the ones I've been looking at, it does come with the paper, so that's good. Oh, these look nice. Right, I'm going to get these out and then move the box, so we're going to have a better look. Right guys, have a look at these. So comment below what do you reckon to them, as I've not actually seen the real pair in person, only what I've seen off the other YouTube videos. These seem pretty good. So the leather feels nice. So some of the ones I've looked at, some of the other fakes have been really shiny, but these are, yeah, these are nice. And the stitching, we've got the nice stitching on it as well. Another thing on some of the other copies, I've noticed the hole punches aren't always perfect. These are pretty good. So these did cost $91, so there is cheaper pairs out there, but I'd rather pay a little bit more and get a better pair. So I went for the one with the silver Alexander McQueen. So I have noticed as well, sometimes the C is actually in the Q. They are still correct as well. These are just the latest version with the McQueen that way. So looking in the insole. So if you can all see that, let me just zoom in for you. There you go, so we've got the Alexander McQueen. We've got made in Italy, just there you can see it. So the stitch looks pretty nice inside. Have a look at the tongue. So we've got a little bit of suede on the tongue there, which is correct. Let's have a closer look at the laces as well. So the laces look good. So everything to me looks pretty good on this. Let's have a look at another one. So we've got Alexander McQueen. All looks correct to me. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like from above. So we can see that the sides look correct. Some of the other ones I've seen on YouTube, they're very narrow and they don't look right from this angle. So I thought I'd just show you this angle as well. Right, I'm going to try these on and let you know, see if they're comfy and how they fit. Be right back. So that is the on feet and try on everybody. This is the first time I ever tried a pair of these Alexander McQueens. Because I'm usually like my sports trainers, like the Yeezys and Ultra Boosts and that. And I was a bit concerned how comfortable they're actually going to be. But you know what, they're a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. Let me take this out and show you as well. So the inner sole is nice and thick. So we've got a real good sole on that, so that does make it a lot more comfortable. And of course you've got the big sole here, which is quite squishy as well. So yeah, Definitely going to recommend if you want a smart pair of trainers and comfort wise, these are a good one to get. Right, remember everyone to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button because we're going to have lots more videos coming soon. Catch you on the next one.